Hello everyone, do try this paneer dum biryani recipe for this Diwali. So let's get cooking. First we need to add around 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'll just add it. Then what we need to do is let the oil be really hot. Then we will add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. So the oil is hot, now I'll add the garlic. And wait and mix until it turns golden and brown in color. So the garlic has turned golden brown. Now I will add 2 medium-sized onions. So the onions have caramelized really well. Now we need to add all the other vegetables. So I'll just show you what vegetables I'm using. First, we will add carrot, then potatoes. I've used 2 big potatoes, around 3/4 cup of peas, half a cup or 2 medium-sized tomatoes that are chopped. All of them are chopped finely. Also around 7 to 8 florets of cauliflower. And for the special color, I am adding beetroot. So this is around 3 medium-sized beetroots. Add all of that together and give it a really good mix. And then you'll see that the beetroot starts to give color to all of the vegetables. I'm mixing the vegetables and later it will be time to add the special spices. Now we will add half a cup of thick curd and give it a good mix again. Next is the step to add the spices. So you can see the color of the beetroot, and the curd also changed color from white to light pink. I can't wait to show you guys. It will taste so good. Now we will add the spices. That is half a teaspoon of turmeric. Then we will also add red chili powder. I like a little bit of spice, so I'll add around again half a teaspoon. You can reduce it to 1/4 teaspoon also. Next we will add coriander powder, half a teaspoon, and also around, you can say, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera. Last thing to add is the salt. I am adding salt per taste, around half a teaspoon. And then we will give it a very good mix. The color looks amazing. Wow. Can't wait to eat it. Yummy, yummy. And now we have to cover this for around 10 minutes so that the steam remains in and the vegetables cook. I have added 1 cup of water to the vegetables. Now it's time to add the cottage cheese. And on top of the cottage cheese, we will add biryani masala, as it adds a lot of flavor. So I will be adding 3/4 teaspoon of biryani masala. And we're gonna give it a really good mix. So after some time, the paneer has tenderized and is very moist. Also the vegetables have been cooked. Now it's time to layer the biryani. So why not start? I've already cooked the rice, and along with it I had put star anise, bay leaf, ghee, some cloves. So now it's time to layer the biryani. I'll start layering it up in front of you all. So first comes the rice. Just take a full amount of rice. After putting the rice, we will take some mint and coriander. I've chopped it and spread it. And a pinch of biryani masala. The second layer will be the vegetables that we just cooked and let cool for 10 minutes. But you can still see the steam. Now the vegetables again. Now we will put the final layer of rice and spread it around. Now I will put the remaining coriander and mint on top. And around, you can say, 1/4 teaspoon of biryani masala. And the biryani is done. I'll just put it on the plate and show you the variety of colors in the biryani. I'll just remove the bay leaf. Wow, look at the colors. I'll also eat it now. It's my lunchtime. We'll have a taste. Delicious.